probably noticed, the name of the video is saying two lame dudes are building a computer. So let me give you a little background on this. We are here to prove that ordinary people can build themselves computers, and they don't have to resort to buying pre-built ones that are too expensive. Quick word about us. I'm Danny. I'm not your usual techie guy. I'm more of a computer science theorist, so I don't really know what's going on in these hardware things. So it's going to be interesting. The camera is holding Michael.
Hi.
And well, he's maybe a little bit more manually able, but he got this experience while repairing bicycles, so I'm not really sure if that is going to help us. This video is going to come in multiple parts, as I don't have all the hardware I'm going to need to build a whole computer. So probably we are going to go through the parts, and then we'll have some videos of how we are trying to overclock and fine-tune the computer, so stay tuned for all the parts. Okay, so let's check out what hardware are we starting with. Okay, so as you probably noticed, here we have the Cooler Master Cosmos S case. Just quick word about the case. I think it will help us to assemble the computer because it features toolless design and it's quite roomy, as you can see, compared to my head. And yeah, okay. So the second part that I think is going to help us with overclocking and building the computer is this motherboard, P60 Deluxe V2 from Asus. And it's really, again, good for overclocking and good for lame people like us because it has many nice automatic features and stuff like that. As for the processor, we are going to use Intel Core i7 920 with D0 stepping. Again, it needs low voltages when you overclock it, and I think it will be good base for the computer. Now, quick word about RAMs. We are going to use Corsair XMS 3 RAMs. Yeah. We are going to use 6 2 GB modules because I need a lot of RAM. And currently the 4 GB modules are too expensive for me. Okay. This is one of the hard drives I'm going to use. It's Samsung HD 502. It's only 500 gigs, but I think it's worth it because it's fairly quick. It has only one plate in it. Okay, and the last thing we have to start with is this PSU. It's 700 watts, so I think it will meet whatever needs we have with the computer and later with another part, graphic card and stuff like that. Okay, so that was about hardware. As you have probably noticed, we checked the hardware on my bed, and that's because I was sleeping down here on this cardboard paper, waiting for the components to come in. So I wanted to make sure they're safe.